Hey everybody, how are you? So, you saw in my haul that I grabbed this. I wanted to compare the difference between the two because Stickles is just glitter glue to add dimension and color and bling to a project. So what I wanted to do was, I wanted to compare the two, right? Walmart brand, Stickles brand. And then I got this from Walmart. And I just wanted to run it and see how well it worked, how well it didn't work. Actually, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna take a goofy image. That's what I should do. You know what? Let me print out a couple of images, something that has every one of these colors, and I'm gonna come back and we're gonna do it. Actually, you know what? Just circles. Right? Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Actually, let's see. Thought process. All right, I'll be right back. Yay, I'm back. So what I did was I just printed out some hearts so that we can try this Stickles. Excuse me. And the Walmart glitter. All right, so let's start with the Walmart. What do we have to lose, right? Let's try it. So I kind of did matching colors just to see. Ooh, did too much, sorry. Okay, so it's just a, that was my mistake. It's just to add some bling. I want to keep that in there. And I don't have a tissue, so I'll just use scraps. Now, the closer one to this would be this one. And I'm going to do it right underneath it. The tips are definitely better. Look at the difference in tips. You see that? I like this tip better. All right, let's see. I'm going to add just a little of this to up here, just to see the difference, because I did it on a different color, which I probably shouldn't have done. So maybe that's what I'm going to do. This part is the Stickles. You know what? There's just a little bit more glitter in it. That's what I'm noticing. More glitter, more glue. But it still gives you some nice bling. Let's do the heart. I'll do 1/2 and 1/2. This way we could see the real. You don't have control as well with the Walmart brand. So you have to go real slow. And then let's try this one. Okay. You have more control with the Stickles. Hold on, let me get my phone. Okay, so I'm back, and it's actually gotten a chance to dry. And the thing that I found is that, let's look at that one. The Walmart side, which I think is going to take way longer to dry, just appears thicker. Let's keep going, all right? So we'll do a Walmart red. And I'll try to be lighter on squeezing it out. And then this would be the Stickles. Stickles, Stickles, Stickles. Oh my goodness. Definitely more control. And definitely more glitter. Can you see that? More glitter. Wonder what would happen if I just took that side and just sprinkled some red. Right? What's the big deal? Let's see. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I like my Stickles. Don't get me wrong. I love them. But I only buy them when they're on sale. So I guess this is a way to, you know, save a little money. So I'm going to try the Walmart blue. Now see, if I didn't have anything to compare that to, I would definitely be happy with that product. This is a different, it's a little bit different of a blue, but we try it. Right? What do we got to lose? Definitely way more control, like I said. I feel like I'm repeating myself. And it just gives it a thinner coat. Thinner coat. I'd like to wait a couple of hours and see how it dries. Like really wait for it to dry. Alright, so that was those. Now let's try, now I have two, alright, I have 2 Walmarts and 3 Stickles. So these two actually look alike. This one looks like it's got some bluish tones to it, which so does that one. These two look alike. So I'm going to put that one aside and I'm going to do these two. Walmart will be on the right again. And I really am going to try to go really thin. And I'm actually just putting the nozzle right to the paper. Oh my goodness, so hard to open. Okay, let's see. Definitely more glitter on the left. Definitely more glitter. Let's try these two. This is Crystal. And honestly, I see no glitter. I do see glitter. Don't take my word for that yet. Okay. I'm trying to be fair, right? I am. Let's see. Just, I'm gonna wait and we'll do the final on I don't have, I'm just gonna do the colors now just to see how they come out. I'll do half of them. That's one very pretty. I know you can't see what I just did. Sorry. Hold on. I just did that one. I just did half of it, so not to waste. Then I'm going to do a green one. I love the way this looks. I really do. I'll bring it up, show you. That's the green. I didn't print out a fluorescent yellow, so I'll give this a little fluorescent look. And I bet you if this was on yellow, it would be so cool looking. All right, hold on. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. Let's do this one. Oh, so pretty. And see that? You would definitely like, I don't know. You could definitely tell it's a better quality. Now these are the enamel dots. So what I'll do is I'll just do dots. Love these. Oh, love them. Actually, you know what? Now that I just thought of it. Ah, love them. Love them, love them, love them. Yay! What a cool little comparison. Look how great those little enamel dots came out. And look, it's all drawing really nicely. Look how the Walmart is on the right and the Stickles is on the left. Really, you know what? I would definitely use the Walmart. And they do have other colors. So next time at Walmart, I think I might go back and try them. Okay. We're going to let this dry, and I'm going to come back at the end of the video. I'm back. It's been about half an hour, and the globbiness of the Walmart has gone away. So look at this one. On the left is the Stickles, and on the right is the Walmart. Let me tell you, that's not so bad. Left and right. Left is Stickles, right is Walmart. Guys, the Walmart one's not so bad.